Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is WENDU ISAAC. Today I'm going to be doing a skincare video. My skin has improved a lot since last year, and I thought it would be nice to just share you show you some of the things I've been using. One thing that I would say though, like that has really helped, is juicing and drinking water. I noticed that right now I haven't been drinking as much water as I was doing like last month, so my skin is feeling really dry and things that shouldn't be happening are happening. So when people say like drink water, they're actually correct. And also juicing has definitely helped out, but a lot of the things I'm using now, they're all like new products that I wasn't using like say last year, except maybe this one I kind of introduced into my regimen or my routine like in December. So anyways, I've cleansed my face. For cleansers, I have like a lot of things that I use for cleansers. I have this one from BELIF. So this is the Aqua Balm Jelly Cleanser. I really like it. It's nice, it's gentle. I use this especially like if I'm taking off my makeup as like the second step. So for my makeup, I'll do like 2 cleanses, one with an oil cleanse. I have this one here like I use as an oil cleanse. This is from the Body Shop, the Camomile Silky Cleansing Oil. I ran out of my cleansing balm, so I was like, you know what, let me get this one, because this was like the first one I started using like in the beginning of my 2 cleanse days. Like if you wear makeup, especially if you wear makeup, you need to do like 2 cleanses. Saturday Skin also has like a nice cleansing balm, and there's so many others. So I just added this as well. This is from Garnier. It's a brightening gel wash. I just added this maybe like a few days ago because I was sent this by what's it called, influencer. So I've been trying it. I like it. It's really gentle. I don't really have much to say about it. And then the other one that I would use is my Urban Skin RX cleanser. I really like that one because it's not only cleanses my skin but also like treats. So every time my skin is going through it, I'll use that. It has like exfoliating things inside. It helps with like brightening, helps with like discoloration and all of that. What I'm going to be sharing with you right now is my daytime morning skincare routine, and I'm going to like throw in some things that I would do maybe like when I have more time, like a mask. But aside from the mask, I'll generally do this every day. All right, let's get into it. So right now I'm going to go in with the OLEHENRIKSEN Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. When I tell you how I love this thing, you're not even going to believe it. So it's great because it like improves your skin texture through chemical and physical exfoliation. So like the regular scrubs that you know, like they're generally only exfoliating your skin physically, but there's no like chemical aspect to it. But this like incorporates chemical exfoliation as well because of the AHAs that it has. It visibly reduces the pores and improves your texture. Like this is fire. Every time I use it, my skin feels so smooth. I also just want to point out that it's in your best interest to use paper towels to dry your skin and not to use towels because it's more hygienic. So the next thing I like to do after cleansing and exfoliating is straight ahead going to lip balm, because I hate my lips being dry. I cannot stand it, absolutely. So this is from 2020 Skincare. She was on my page last year. She was a small business owner, Black woman, Ottawa. So you know, support local, support Black women-owned businesses. Okay. So my lips are moisturized. This is the Citrus Honey scent. She has about like 4 scents for this. Okay, so next I will be toning. If you're in a hurry, you can always use a fan
to dry down the product. You want the product to actually penetrate your skin before you start layering other things.
I absolutely love this product. This is from COSRX. So if you don't know, I'm really into Korean beauty, Korean drama, Korean everything. Love them. So I have like a mix of products. So like a lot of the products I'm using today, like are from good molecule. A lot of products I'm using today are from Good Molecules, but I'm also like enjoying some Korean skincare, and this is one of them. I absolutely love it. The hydration is crazy intense. So today I'm gonna go in with my mask. This is a cucumber mask. It's basically for hydration. Don't understand anything that is written here because it's all in Hangul. Well, there's like just instructions. So I'm going to put this on and leave it for 10 to 20 minutes, and I will be back. MISSHA is also like another Korean skincare brand that I love. Like I've used their products before. I like also just bought a clay mask, purifying mask from them, so which I haven't tried, but I'm excited to try. But all the masks, like the sheet masks that I've tried from MISSHA, I really loved. Like basically I don't buy sheet masks from non-Korean skincare brands. I just feel like, oh, have I? Let me not lie, eh?
So a lot of people would waste the juice of the sheet mask, and typically I don't. I would, pour it out onto my hands and put it on my face while the mask is still on. And sometimes like you have masks that are really juicy, and then I will even store that and use it on a different day as a serum. So make use of the products. That's the tip. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm big on soul care and soul transformations. I love face transformations, but I think soul transformations are equally as important. So I think this time where the mask is on especially is such a great time to maybe listen to a podcast or listen to an audio Bible or read a book or read your Bible, or like if you're mischievous as I am, rather scare your unsuspecting friends and family in their rooms or over the phone. I think it's a time that you can really enjoy. Or like, you can just sit in silence and meditate, talk to God in that moment. But don't waste that time, sis. You're already there for 10-20 minutes. Try not to spend it on the phone scrolling mindlessly. Okay?
Every couple. Let me do this now. I take my products. Everything must go on my face. You understand? Everything. Because I want it to dry fast, I'm going to just use this. Ooh. Feels so cold and nice. Usually I'll go in with my hyaluronic acid serum for deep hydration, but I use the mask today so I can use this at night. But I'm definitely going to go in with my niacinimide serum right now. It refines skin texture, minimizes the pores, also helps out with like brightening and stuff. Well, I'm almost done. I need to restock it. 3.
Don't forget to apply product to your neck as well. It's very important. And your decollete.
This is the moisturizer. Every moisturizer wants to be, period. 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 It's giving glass skin. It's giving moisturized. It's giving everything it needs to give. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna let that sit for a bit.
So right now I'm going in with the Rosehip Seed Oil from Good Molecules, and basically Rosehip has like antioxidants like vitamin A and C and helps fight aging, and basically this oil is just really hydrating and makes your skin look plump.
You should be wearing sunscreen, okay? That is not a suggestion. It doesn't matter that it's winter, it doesn't matter that it's spring or summer. Wear sunscreen. I don't care where you are in the world, wear sunscreen. I don't care if you're white or black, wear sunscreen, okay? And you need at least 2 fingers of sunscreen. This is also like a K skincare brand. I know it looks like a lot, but we're gonna blend it out. You see, the thing about like sunscreen for black people is that a lot of them like live very stupid ashy cast look as if somebody is a ghost, but I love this one because it doesn't. It makes me like look glowy. It just like adds to everything, you know, which I absolutely love. Perfect. So that is it with my face. At this point I'll go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm finish the look. It's giving glass skin. It's giving luxury. It's giving glory. Okay, let's sort this out. For my hair, I just need to like spritz just to make sure it's moisturized. And I'm using 2020 skincare Shea Butter. This is sweet orange, and my hair loves this. So I'm just gonna moisturize that real quick. So this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, if you want to see my nighttime skincare routine, totally leave a comment, let me know. I will film it for you or whatever. You know, like now that this wig is on my head, I feel like a totally different woman. My accent has changed. Yeah, so this is really fun for me to record. I know I've been trying to record a skincare routine for like, I feel like for years now, honestly, and every time I've done it, it's just like useless. So hopefully this comes out the way I envisioned it in my head. It's looking like it will. So yeah, have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.